Hi and welcome. Now, if you are a graduate, an aspiring graduate, or who has just completed graduation this year, and if you're looking for a job, and you think you're going to get a better job with a better scale, a better pay scale, then you are highly mistaken. Looking at the present scenario, the conditions from COVID-19 from past 2 years, our Indian economy is gone 2 years, 3 years, not 5 years. It has gone 10 years behind. And it's going to take minimum of 10 years to gain us back the position which we were in. Now, if you want to live a freedom lifestyle and a financial freedom lifestyle at a very young age, this is the opportunity for you to join this live masterclass that I'm going to take. And this masterclass, I'm going to share some secrets to you that how you can save money and protect money and retire very early, and you don't have to work and think about your retirement. So if you join this masterclass, you are going to be beneficiary, your friends are going to be beneficiary, your family is going to be beneficiary. So what I want to do is share the link to as many people you have in your group, in your WhatsApp group, your Facebook group, or whoever you know who can benefit from this masterclass. I want you to share this link and invite them also to join the masterclass along with you and get benefited. So I'll see you in the masterclass. Till then, bye bye and thank you.